Hey everybody, I'm back again today with another lockpicking video, and today I have this Kawneer mortise cylinder. Show you the get out. Show you. It's 5 pins, no security pins. I've picked it hundreds of times. I just recently made a YouTube account, sorry. So I'll start picking. I'm going to be using my DeForest diamond. And, let's just start going. I'll try to stay out of your way so you guys can see. Doesn't really matter though. You know what? There, that way you guys can actually like see the damn thing while I'm picking it. Sorry, it's gonna be really dark because the light is right behind me. I'm in my basement right now. Yay! Fuck. Switch out tools, go to my gonzo hook. Shit, I bent it. There we go. There. Picked. And just get this off so I have more room. I'll get it for you guys really quick. There. Plug forward. Here's the bedding on it. I'll try to show you guys without knocking all of them out. Here's the bedding. 5th pin is up there. It's not very. It's a very shallow pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Start pulling drivers. One is standard. Two standard. 3 standard. 4 standard and 5 standard. Straighten these out and I'll get you out close up. So there you guys go. All standard pins. So nothing too crazy there. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Thanks.